Welcome back to SK Auto Review. Today we are taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most powerful heavy-duty trucks on the market, the 2026 Ford F-450. This truck is built for serious work, extreme towing, and premium comfort, making it one of the top choices for buyers who need strength without compromising luxury. Starting with the interior, the 2026 Ford F-450 feels more like a luxury SUV than a work truck. Ford has significantly upgraded the cabin with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a very solid build quality. The dashboard design is modern and clean, dominated by a large digital instrument cluster and a massive center touchscreen that runs Ford's latest Sync infotainment system. The display is sharp, responsive, and easy to use, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Physical buttons are still available for key controls, which is great for drivers who prefer tactile feedback while driving. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long hours on the road. Higher trims offer leather upholstery, heating, ventilation, and power adjustments with memory settings. The driving position is commanding, giving you excellent visibility all around. Rear passengers are also treated well, especially in the crew cab version, with generous legroom, headroom, and comfortable seating. Storage is everywhere, from deep center consoles to smart door pockets, making the cabin extremely practical for work and daily use. Noise insulation has been improved, so even though this is a massive diesel truck, the cabin remains surprisingly quiet at highway speeds. Ford has clearly focused on comfort, making the F-450 suitable not just for job sites but also for long road trips with family or crew. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford F-450 is an absolute beast. Under the hood, it is powered by a high-output 6.7-liter Power-stroke V8 turbo diesel engine. This engine delivers massive horsepower and incredible torque, designed to handle extreme loads with ease. Acceleration is smooth and confident, even when towing heavy trailers. The torque comes in strong at low RPMs, which is exactly what you want in a heavy-duty truck. The transmission is a refined 10-speed automatic that shifts smoothly and intelligently, keeping the engine in the optimal power band. Whether you are climbing steep grades, towing heavy equipment, or cruising on the highway, the F-450 feels stable and controlled. The steering is precise for a truck of this size, and the suspension is tuned to balance comfort with heavy-duty capability. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Ford F-450 is its towing and hauling performance. This truck is built to tow massive loads, making it ideal for construction, agriculture, and heavy commercial use. Advanced towing technologies such as trailer sway control, integrated trailer brake controller, multiple camera views, and blind spot monitoring for trailers make towing safer and easier than ever. Even for less experienced drivers, these features provide confidence and control. Off-road and work-site capability are also impressive. With available four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and multiple drive modes, the F-450 can handle rough terrain, mud, snow, and uneven surfaces without hesitation. Despite its size, it feels well planted and capable in challenging conditions. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Ford F-450 is a premium heavy-duty truck, and its price reflects its capabilities and features. The base models start at a higher price point compared to regular pickup trucks, but they are aimed at buyers who need serious power and durability. As you move up through trims and add options like luxury interior features, advanced towing packages, and off-road upgrades, the price increases significantly. However, considering the performance, technology, comfort, and long-term reliability, many buyers see it as a solid investment for work and business use. Fuel economy is not the main focus of a truck like this, but for its size and power, the diesel engine offers respectable efficiency, especially when cruising on highways. Maintenance and ownership costs are higher than standard trucks, but that is expected in this heavy-duty segment. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford F-450 stands out as a powerful, capable, and surprisingly refined heavy-duty truck. It offers a luxurious and spacious interior, class-leading performance, and exceptional towing and hauling abilities. Whether you need a truck for extreme work demands or want the most capable pickup Ford has to offer, the F-450 delivers on all fronts. This is SK Auto Review, bringing you honest and detailed car reviews. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful truck and car reviews coming your way.